The novel coronavirus is showing no signs of easing in China. Over 1,700 people have died there, with the number of new cases rising. And reports of more infections are coming out from the quarantined Diamond Princess cruise ship as well. Our Choi Jeong-yoon has the latest.
The number of confirmed cases of the novel coronavirus has surpassed 70,000 in China. The Chinese authorities reported on Monday that the virus has infected at least 2,000 more people within the past 24 hours. There were also 100 more deaths in Hubei Province, the epicenter of the outbreak, hiking the total death toll in China to over 1,700. In Japan, 70 more people have tested positive for the virus on board the quarantined Diamond Princess cruise ship that remains docked at Yokohama Port. It brings the number of total confirmed cases on the vessel to 355 and over 400 in the country, the highest number outside of mainland China. On Monday morning, the U.S. evacuated its citizens that had been holed up on the cruise ship for weeks. Some 300 passengers boarded 2 airplanes chartered by the U.S. government at Tokyo's Haneda Airport. American travelers who were quarantined on the cruise ship for more than 10 days were screened for symptoms prior to disembarking the ship and will undergo another 2 weeks in quarantine upon their arrival in the U.S. 44 Americans who tested positive could not return home. Taiwan also reported its first COVID-19 death on Sunday after a male taxi driver in his 60s died from the virus. It makes him the 5th death outside of mainland China. The man was one of the 2 confirmed cases in Taiwan, with the other being a family member of the deceased male. It's been reported he had no recent travel history outside Taiwan. However, local reports say most of his customers were people who had a history of traveling to China, Hong Kong, and Macau, as it could have been human-to-human transmission from another carrier. Choi Jeong-yoon, Arirang News.